Good morning students. Today our topic is Olympic 2016. Olympic Games are held after every 4 years. Means हर 4 साल बाद Olympic Game होते हैं. First Olympic Games were held in Athens. Athens is the capital of Greece in Europe. Means first Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. Today our topic is Olympic 2016. So we will discuss about the question answer of Olympic 2016. The Olympic 2016 were held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Means ब्राजील के बड़े शहर रियो डी जेनेरियो में ओलंपिक 2016 हुए. Now you can ask, what about the 2020 Olympic Games? So students, due to COVID-19 outbreak, the Olympic Games of 2020 are postponed. The next year they will be held. Means in Tokyo, the capital of Japan is Tokyo. In Tokyo 2020, Olympic Games will be held in July month. So students, let's start the question answer on Olympic 2016. Okay students, let's start first question. Which athlete won the 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter relay in the 3 consecutive games in 2008, 2012 and 2016? मीन्स कौन सा ऐसा एथलीट है जिसको गोल्ड मेडल मिला है 2008, 12 और 2016 में? आंसर इज यूसेन बोल्ट. Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt from Jamaica is a gold medalist in 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter relay. Next question. Which female athlete created history by becoming the first woman to collect 6 gold medal in athlete? Means कौन सी ऐसी फीमेल एथलीट है जिसने ओलंपिक 2016 में 6 मेडल्स कलेक्ट किए? मीन्स आंसर इज एलिसन फेलिक्स. Allyson Felix is from USA and she has made world record in 100 meter, 200 meter and 400 meter relay. Next question. Which female wrestler from Haryana took part in the 58 kg category and defeated Aizulu Tinibekova of Kyrgyzstan to win a bronze in wrestling for India? The question is there, wrestling में bronze medal इंडिया से किसको मिला? मेन आंसर इज साक्षी मलिक. Sakshi Malik belongs from Haryana in India and she got bronze medal in wrestling from India. Next question. Who beat Japan's Nozomi Okuhara in the semi-final of badminton and went to win the first silver for an Indian women athlete ever in Olympics? Means नोजोमी ओकुहारा को हराया 2016 ओलंपिक्स में वो कौन सी ऐसी बैडमिंटन प्लेयर है? आंसर इज पीवी सिंधु. पीवी सिंधु from Hyderabad is a professional badminton player from India and she has made the record for first Indian woman badminton player and she became the world champion. Next question. Which Scottish player became the first male in history to win 2 singles gold in tennis? Answer is Andy Murray. from Scotland. He is a gold medalist and he made history to become a gold medalist in tennis in Olympic 2016. Okay, next question. Which athlete broke his own record twice at the Rio Olympic, first during the heats with a time of 57.55 seconds and in the final with 57.13 seconds. His win also marks the first male Olympic gold medal in swimming for Great Britain in 28 years. Means gold medalist in swimming. Who is this? Adam Peaty. Adampeaty. Adam Peaty from Britain is a gold medalist in swimming Olympic 2016 and he daily work out for next Olympics because he want to become a world champion in Olympic. Next also, so students, आपको भी बराबर अगर आप मेहनत करते रहेंगे तो आप जरूर आगे बढ़ेंगे. Next question. Which player set world record for scoring the fastest goal in an Olympic football match by scoring a goal within 14 seconds? Means football player in Olympic 2016. Answer is Neymar Jr. Neymar Jr. from Brazil is best footballer and he made a history for gold medalist in Olympic 2016. Okay student, one more question on Olympic 2016. Which Olympic veteran hold the record of being the oldest individual to win an Olympic gold medal in swimming? He also holds the record for the longest time between individual swimming Olympic gold medals, which is 15 years and 325 days. Means answer is Anthony Irwin. Anthony Irwin belongs from USA and he is gold medalist in swimming. Tidbits. Also known as Baltimore Bullet, Michael Phelps is the most decorated Olympian of all time, with a total of 28 Olympic medals to his name, including 23 golds. He holds the record for most Olympic medals once, most gold medals won at the Olympic male, and most medals won at the Olympic for swimming male. Means Baltimore, Maryland in America is a place and Michael Phelps was born in America, Baltimore, Maryland. He is the gold medalist swimmer in America and he got 23 gold in Olympic.